How to use Designcrowd. Hello and welcome to our channel with Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Designcrowd. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So basically, what is this Designcrowd? So Designcrowd is an online logo design service and marketplace for website design contests. This is important, contests, and almost any other type of graphic design you can think of. Businesses, people that need a design, can use Designcrowd to run a design contest and get the best design possible or run a freelance graphic design job to save money. There in Designcrowd, they have a global designer community specializing in all areas of design, including logo designers, web designers, graphic designers, brochure designers, a lot of designs if you are looking for that. And when using Designcrowd, the entire design process end to end is managed within the Designcrowd website. From brief definition to communicating with designers to receiving your designs and payment, the Designcrowd marketplace is all you need. So, if you're looking for that, you just must type on your web browser designcrowd.com, and this is the homepage. So, as you can see, their design services are logo design, business card design, web design, and you can see all the categories like t-shirt design, card wrap design. This is really cool. Character design, infographic. There are a lot of categories that perhaps you don't know yet. So this is quite complete. Yeah, this is really complete if you need it. So by now, these are the categories that you could find and some designs that you could be inspired from. So as you can see, t-shirt, business card, a website, to brand, a logo, perhaps, all you need. And here, if you keep scrolling down, you can get started because I need a design created. So this is for the people who want to hire some designers, or I want to work, okay? If you want to design here. And there is an affiliate program that perhaps I'm gonna show you some of that in the future if you have your design company and so on, okay? So by now I'm going to show you these two like preferences if you want to create a design or if you want to work. So I had to do it by here, so I'm going to complete my data. And by now I'm gonna be a customer. Okay, now as a customer, I have some dollars off if I want to try, I guess, because a discount has been applied. And this is what you need. So what design do you need? So a logo, perhaps. So name your project. Task description. You must add some text if you want into your logo and upload some files in addition. I'm going to fill this just to continue. And here, which logo package do you prefer? So if you want, this is the percent of discount. And this is important. If you want 1 to 3 designs, so you must pay around $100, okay? You have these features: 1 designer, up to 3 revisions, money back guarantee, copyright ownership of 1 design. This is important. And here in 100 designs, this is the discount that you could win. So there you have unlimited designers, because remember, this is like a contest. Expect 100 plus designs, unlimited revisions, money back guarantee, the same, and highlighted project and 250 business cards. Okay, So by now, I'm not going to continue with this because by now I'm not going to pay Design Crowd, but this is what you must to know, what you need to know if you want to design a logo or whatever do you need with Design Crowd, the prices. Okay, this is it. So I'm going back because I want to show you the process if you want to work there. So I'm going to log out and I'm going to register with a different email account in order to show you that. And I'm gonna be a designer. So now we have some extra info that we need to fill. So the displayed name, your country, if you want to be paid through PayPal or Payoneer, and the email that your PayPal is subscribed to. That's it. So I'm going to create and continue. So this is a different platform. So if you want to be a designer, you're gonna see this, you're gonna view this, and obviously what you're interested in design. So I'm going to get into logo again. I'm going to continue. And here you have some like proposals. So I'm going to, I don't know what to choose. Perhaps, yes, need a design for an advert to be placed in newspaper. Let's see. So this is it. They are expecting until 4 designers, and each designer must to upload around 5 designs. And this is the info that you need to read if you want to be part of this work. This is a short description. Let me show you if I'm going to be able to see a different proposal with a lot of specifications. So, and I'm going to visit the jobs board. I'm going to click on complete. And let's see a big one. 290. 300. Brand logo for Texas barbecue restaurant. Yeah, so they have attached a lot of files of what they're expecting. And here, as you can see, the first place is gonna win $260. But if you participate and they are trying to continue the procedure with you, the process with you, so you're gonna receive this payment and that's it. So this is a contest, so perhaps you don't win, so obviously just the first place is going to receive this. So perhaps I'm going to try to open this and see what they're looking for. So some, I don't know, logo that they want, that they liked, some palm strings, and there are different proposals. Let me look again. Let's try with athleisure fashion accessory. No, this is even worse. Okay, finally I found one. So in this proposal, this is a complete one. Unfortunately, there is not a payment for participation, but it's great if you know a lot of design and there is a lot of info. So perhaps the abstract logo that they liked, font styles that they want to use, some colors, look and feel, so perhaps more elegant or playful or more serious in this case, a lot masculine, more colorful, and so on. So you're gonna find a lot of proposals. I really recommend you to get into this one so you're gonna be able to know exactly what your customer is looking for and you're not gonna have any problem if you want to participate in the contest. And obviously look for this data on top of the proposal because they are looking around 24 designers, so that's a lot. So perhaps you could apply to a nicest one. I don't know. Wow, 20 designers, that's a lot. Here, I don't know, 3 designers, perhaps is not having the same. Oh, yeah, this is great because this has a lot of data and info that you are gonna need in order to make your design. And you're not gonna have a great or big competition. And that's it. That's what you need to know about Designcrowd. It's a really easy platform to use, even if you are a client or even if you are a designer that you want to give your designs in here in this platform. And as you can see, there is a lot of categories. There are a lot of categories, yes, that perhaps you could get your work there. And that's it. That's what you need to know. It's really easy. It's like a freelance platform. And this is going to be really helpful if you are looking for an extra revenue or perhaps a main revenue if you're looking for that too. So that's it. That's how you can use Designcrowd. Thanks for watching.